Hey there! I'm not actually speaking in this video, I'm doing a voiceover. This is me demonstrating Halide's new photo mode that uses augmented reality to transpose photos you've taken onto the real world. Now that I've said all that, I'm going to show you what it actually means, those words. I'm using Halide, which is a photo app for iOS. It's using the front-facing camera's array of information gathering sensors to take a photo of me using more than one type of optical sensor. It's basically blasting me with a bunch of different laser light, and it's making a note of how far away each of those laser light points are from the camera. So now with all that data that it's saved, I'm going to be able to take this photo, put it into this AR mode, which is up there at the top, and just plop it into place in the real world. And you can't hear, but I did air quotes when I said real world. Boom! Now you see. What you can see on the inset there is my phone screen, and I'm just moving it around in my environment, and that's what I look like from the side if I was made up of dots. I think this is so much fun. It's just magic technology that's lying dormant in our phones. And, you know, there's no particular application that I'm using it for here except fun. But fun is fun. I really had a good time playing with this particular mode. I discovered it today. It was just a feature I pressed and was like, oh, well, that's how it works. Okay. I wonder what I can do with it. Oh, well, I can see myself in the real world through my phone screen. So here's another mode. I'm just going to take a selfie. That's the way we do things in this world. We take our selfies and put our best face forward, blammo. I'm going to do the same exact thing. It's going to ask me where I want to place this AR photo. I'm going to press that button at the top right. I'm going to place it right here on the wall, but I'm actually going to make it pretty big, so I'm moving it farther back. Okay, now what do I look? Oh my gosh, I'm big. It's strange to be able to move around yourself. My own image is here as though I was able to interact with it in real size. It's a striking thing to be able to see. This is a way that you can see through someone else's eyes. That is what I realized today. I can see through my eyes all the time. I know what this looks like, but this is someone else's ability to now know what my eyes look like through my eyes. And you can kind of get that on my happy sad face. You can, depending on which angle you look at my face, it looks like I'm either frowning or smiling. It's kind of like, well, it's amazing. And now it's going to get shaky for a second because I want to see. I won't be able to look at myself while I do this in the camera. I want to see if I can look at myself in augmented reality. I can. I can kind of see. I'm not really making eye contact with myself because I have no idea where I am, but that's what it looks like. There's me again. So yeah, each of these little points is an average of the color, like the individual points you're seeing is an average of the color for that particular place and space that my phone was able to capture at the moment I pressed the shutter button. This is all magic to me. And in the future, it will be taken much more for granted than I'm demonstrating today. We're going to not think this is a novelty at all. We'll be interacting with virtual people that are representations of the real people we know all the time. And we'll say hi, and they'll say hi, and it'll look like that. And we'll have the whole world in our hands.